Your iPhone can do far more than send messages or take photos. Hidden inside iOS are powerful tools that can save time, boost productivity, and make everyday tasks easier. Let's start with a feature most users overlook. Your iPhone can actually function as a digital level for DIY projects. Built into Apple's measurement tools, the level feature helps ensure objects are perfectly horizontal or vertical. Another powerful shortcut is instant camera access using the side button. This allows you to launch the camera instantly and capture important moments without unlocking the phone or searching for the app. Newer iPhones also include a customizable action button designed to trigger your favorite features instantly. With a single press, you can start voice memos, launch translation tools, activate focus modes, or open the camera. Tired of spam calls interrupting your day? Your iPhone can screen unknown callers automatically. Unknown callers are asked to identify themselves, and your iPhone displays a live transcript so you can decide whether to answer. And when it comes to communication across languages, your iPhone can help there too. Using Apple's Translate tools, with compatible earbuds, conversations can be translated in near real time, directly into your ears. These hidden features prove that your iPhone is more than a smartphone. It's a powerful everyday assistant designed to simplify your life. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.